Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow users to add bot to your team Microsoft. This option allows users to add a bot to any team that they're part of when adding the bot in Microsoft Teams. After enabling this option, any user who installs the bot from Teams App Store or via the installation link will see the option to add a bot to the team in Microsoft Teams. Team members can also remove the bot from a team. It's important to know that the bot will be configured to allow everyone in the organization to chat with it. This ensures all team members have permission to chat with the bot in team channels. It's highly recommended to not change the security settings of the bot after enabling the capability to prevent users seeing permission errors when interacting with the bot in team channels. To allow users to add bot to a team, go to Settings, Channels, Microsoft Teams, Edit Details, allow your users to add this bot to a team. As you can see, you need to allow this checkmark, and when it comes to description, longest description, just explain what's it for. Select Save, and Microsoft Team catches information, so it could take a while before users see the option to add a bot to a team. Users can refresh the browser or sign in and sign back to the Microsoft Teams app desktop client to reflect changes immediately. If you previously submitted the bot for admin approval, you need to resubmit after enabling this option. The admin needs to approve these changes before users can add a bot to their teams from Microsoft Teams App Store in the build by your organization settings. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment and subscribe. And also, if you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description.